Hi, hello friends, welcome to SreeDeep Creations. Today I am going to show you a healthy recipe, Ragi Roti. Before going to the video, if you are watching our channel's video for first time, then please subscribe to SreeDeep Creations and hit the bell icon. Ingredients required: onion 1 cup finely chopped, drumstick leaves 1 cup, ragi flour 1½ cup, few chopped coriander, curry leaves and 2 green chilies, sugar ½ teaspoon, salt required, oil and hot water to mix. Now let's start the recipe. Take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add 1 cup of finely chopped onions and saute it well until it turns into light yellow color. Now add salt according to your taste and mix it well. Now add ½ teaspoon of sugar to give extra taste to roti. Now add curry leaves and green chilies. Now add drumstick leaves. If you don't have, you can skip it. If we add these drumstick leaves, it gives an extra taste and it is very healthy to our body. At last add coriander leaves and switch off the gas. Now take a mixing bowl and add 1½ cup of ragi flour and this tempered mixture into ragi flour. Now add hot water. If we add hot water, we get a soft ragi roti. Mix it well safely. Mix well for 5 to 6 minutes and make into a dough like this. Now our dough is ready. Now take a plate and place a cotton cloth on it and apply some water. Now take a small ball of ragi dough and press it like this. If we place cloth and apply some water, then we get the dough without sticking. Health benefits of ragi. It is packed with calcium, amino acid and vitamin D. It is rich in fiber that helps with weight loss and diabetes. It helps to maintain young skin. Now take a pan and add little oil and put this on this pan and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on both sides. It should become light brown color backside like this. This is very healthy to your body. Please do try this recipe at your home. I hope you all like this ragi roti. This ragi roti is very healthy to our body. So please do try this recipe at your home. If you like this video, like, share, comment and please subscribe to SreeDeep Creations. Thank you for watching and have a happy cooking day.